me again. Oh my god. So this is my new phone. Vivo, because my... Oh, wait. My last phone before... Yeah, that's right. It got been stealed. Got been robbed by our house. Okay. Okay, moving on. Yeah, it's true. It's a base. Okay, so right now I have a sunglasses. Yeah. It's true, bro. Ow. And look at many of them, bro. Okay. So you can hear me. Bro, this better stuff. Stop. Bro, I got infinite of them. Okay, that's my first huge. Oh. Oh my god. Okay, but moving on again. So really, I am really grinding here so much. Yeah, that's true, bro. To get some diamond and get my first Titanic pet. Oh, come on. Okay, bro. How many going to... 25? No. 25 left. How many diamonds? I mean stars I need in this? Man of this! What's that? Better keep watching in there, and I really want to get that huge, bro. Also this, I don't like this one. And this! The worst! I just want this huge. So let's make a deal. If you get it, you're sus. No, just kidding. How many? 1,000. How many? 4,000. Let's try to get something good. Not that, bro. No. Not. Please. No. Still no. Why this game is not giving me some good? Why is this giving me that? Oh wait. Oh, you keep chill. Oh, okay. This will be so long. Oh, it's not. Yeah, we finish it. Let's go. Okay, so long. What? How many? Look, bro. How many are you? Yo. Whoa, bro. I got 2 of them. Nice. Exclusive taker slot. How many? How many slot that he got? Don't know. Okay. So if that's happened, we get something good, right? No, it's not. Why? Oh, come here. We will get them so we can get some. Yeah, that gift bag and the large gift bag. So we can open it. Then we got many diamonds. Yeah. Okay, wait. Who's here? Let's see something. Okay, I'm pretending to be person, bro. No. That's not gonna happen. I'm not really. Hey, yo! Whoa, what the hell? No. I'm not racist. Whoa. Superior. And also, what? Another? No. It's not super. Okay, superior chess master is reached 40 level, bro. Are you kidding me? We're close. Okay, that's so easy. 1.4. Yeah. That's so easy, bro. It's so easy. I just do it 1 second. No, just kidding. Okay, so it's a bit cranky, boy. So what are we going to do here? Okay, I have many charm, but I don't have huge. Yeah, that's right. If you can give me, please. If you can give me, bro. Oh, what? Top teamwork. Okay. Moving on. Usually, I only have 2 Pishimon and Golden Shabu. But how I get 3 of them? I think this game. I think this one is so lucky, bro. Even I turn off my yeah, that's diamond. It's all diamond, and that's my loadout 4. If I turn it off, bro, what is happening? It's giving me that many items. Okay, this one is really cool, bro. I really want to get this huge. Where is it? This one. Is it real? But it's only 3 exists because this one is so easy to get. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's so hard. You're gonna walk 20,000 stud to get that huge, bro. I was copying Preston. I'm 2-4, so I just get this purple band. I really want to be Preston. So, like and subscribe or I sling you. Not kidding. If you. So, guys, I'm so angry with my bully. I can go outside. Yeah, I can go outside right now. Because, oh, what the hell? Because my grandma don't want me to go outside because of that bully. She already knows it. But fuck them off. I want to kill them all. Oh, Zeno? Wait, is that a YouTuber? I don't know, it's not a YouTuber. Bro, I know that YouTuber. I know a YouTuber, bro. I know a YouTuber that's Zeno. And also numerous. I don't know. Okay, it's so easy to. Let's see how I am the down. Yes. Oh no, I'm the second down. Who helps the many diamond and Zeno is the one. Bro, I know it. Okay. Oh, now chest. Wait a minute. Let me go to my mastery. Where is it? Cringe. Ah, come on. Oh. Okay. Wait. Hey. So where is the 1% chance to hatch rainbow pets, bro? Where's the huge chance? Where's what is this, bro? Superior chest cells. Where is it? Bro, the egg master just don't have something good, bro. Okay. Small chance while digging to temporarily make your shovel rainbow. Make it dig. Damn, this is too fast. Level 70. I want to get that. Okay, so we're making good. We're making far. We're making sour. You're doing great. Yeah, that's right. Okay, we're something. Okay, that boy's so cringe. So sorry. Whoa. Okay, so yeah, we're so very poor because we can look in here and bam, we don't have enough Robux. I have 0 Robux. Yeah, that's true, guys. Just believe me. I have 0 Robux. So they are so I'm not very feel well. Okay. Why I am like this? I'm so poor. Okay, moving on. We're to the trading. Why is this always clicking? I'm clicking it, but I'm making fun of it. I can clear my throat. Like that, I'm making fun of it. But now, it's always go touching like that. That's not my finger, bro. Let's go to the trading normal. What the heck? What the hell? Okay, that's my sign logo. I mean, it's from Preston. Okay, what the hell is saying this? This game so suck. Who's saying it, bro? But it really suck. It's pay to win. That's right. It's pay to win. But it's okay for me because I got my huge purse. My first huge. Okay, wait a minute. Let me go skip in there. Like a goose. Okay, let me. Oh my god! Oh no, not that. Oh, if you can give me some milk, yeah, that's great. I also want it, bro. Okay, let me see the news. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna sell it like that, bro. Oh, wait. Okay, this one's making me good. Oh yeah, this one's really good. Pretty good, bro. Yeah, the flip bag. Whoa! What the hell, bro? It's a billion six. What the heck are you saying, bro? Ooh. Okay, this one's cool. A scorpion. Oh, wait. Okay. That's right. Wow! Glittering. While, oh, no, not that. Oh, come on, get out from there. What the hell is that? Demonic? Okay, just like that. I'm an angel, bro. I'm an angel. Oh, good shower board. Nice one. What the heaven? So that's what we're gonna say. What the heaven? Oh my god. I'm gonna sell it like this. Okay, uh, how many is this one? 24? Yeah, it's 24.5k. No, let's make it, 19.4k. Yeah, that's right. 2. It's actually a good deal. Also, we're gonna sell, where's my golden? 42.2k. At least let's do it. 40.8k. I don't know. That's how I sell. I sell socks, bro. Let me sell this one is one. No, I'm just kidding. I can sell it. This is my first huge. Okay, bro. Oh, that hurts. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, let's do this 94.1. 90. Let's do it 90. 90.5k. Oh, they're buying it. They're buying it. They're buying it. Okay. Nuggets. You want to Bro, I'm selling it. Bro, I'm selling gold pets. I mean gold boat, gold fishing, and gold. Bro, I am gold digger. No, I'm just kidding, bro. What the hell is that? I mean, what the heaven is that? What the heaven, bro? What the heaven? Oh, there's a demon. He's gonna buy it? Yeah, it's not because he sucks, bro. I'm not just kidding, bro. I'm just kidding. No, not that. Okay, so let's go in here. Oh my god. Oh, they're buying it again. Golden shovel. Okay, don't have golden shovel anymore. And I'm gonna sell it again. Something is that's good. I only have one. One. Oh no. Wait, is that my one? Oh no, it's not. No, I got really shocked. Let me go to the enchant. No, not that, bro. No. No. Yes, here. We gotta. Yes. We gotta sell it. 2K. 2K, bro. 2K. 2K. Chill. I sell them all 2K. Oh my god. They're buying it. Oh. Also this. Okay, bro. Oh my god. Actually, they buy my. Where's it? Oh, this one. Gotta sell it only some 5.9K. Yeah, that's right. It's all. No, not that. So I gotta sell it some 50 at least. 50. Okay, it's a great deal. That's how I sell. Bro, what the hell? What the heaven? I kept saying it. 40? No. 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 Oh, it's all almost 100K. 101? 100K. Okay, no one's gonna buy that though. 200K. Where is my potion? Gonna sell it some only 9. No, 9. Yeah, 9. And sell it for almost 9K. I don't know. Oh, okay, that's bad. That's bad, bro. That's bad. That's bad deal. So gotta sell them. Oh no, not that. I almost gotta sell it 4K. 4.534K. Okay, that's right. I don't know how to sell them, bro. Yeah, just gotta buy them. Oh wait. 4.9K. No. Wait, let me find something good to no. Oh, this one is good to sell, bro. Oh, no. I'm not gonna buy that, bro. I'm not gonna buy that. Okay, please someone join my server right now. And buy them, so you can be strong. Okay, moving on. Oh, they're buy it. It's integrate. Okay. Oh, wait, I forget something. It's only 2K, right? It's almost 2K. It's true, yeah. So next time I'm gonna sell some TNT, not TNT crate. Oh my god, bro! I almost break it. I almost break my sunglasses. Oh my god, bro! What the heck? Okay, forgot about that. I said heck. 1.2K. There's something good here, bro? Nothing. That's the place where you can get the huge. Oh, nice one. They get it. They got my coins. Perfect. You shall rock. You shall rock. Okay, wait. They buy it. They're buying it. Okay, where is it? Where is my TNT? Okay, come on. What do you buy? Okay, he wants some that great. Where's the TNT, bro? Where's my TNT? It's all it's all right here, bro. I don't yeah. I'm gonna sell them at least 50. Yeah, that's great. And let's gonna sell strong fit. Wow. Gotta sell it some 14K. 8. Oh, what did you buy? Oh, all my TNT crate? How is this people so rich? Oh, 25.7K. I sell cheap. But not the huge gold, not just sell some 174? Wait, I can just really trade it with my... Oh, I'm Lugs. Oh. Oh, yeah, I know it. We're gonna sell that. So, usually, we are winning. Team Good is winning. So, we will win, not the devil. Okay, so I'm gonna sacrifice them. Okay, it says one. Let's do it. 85.4k. And whoa, okay, my God, say my gay. You're gay. No. Wow! How is it saying like that? It's oh my God. Oh, they're buying all my pets. I mean, that's my pet book. I mean, that's my book. That's my book. Hey, you gonna buy it? Mr. Bacon, are you gonna buy them? Mr. Bacon? Are you sure you're gonna buy them? No? No? Wait. Oh, they're buying it. Mr. Bacon, buy it. Oh, that's nice. That's making a business. I usually want to get to the leaderboard, but I can't because I'm too weak. And each princess. Okay, this one's kind of little cool, but I don't have any dime. What the hell is this? Wait, chill. Series 2 Epic Gift? How many is that? Hostess? What is always following this? Super. Oh! Like, no. Enough of this. Wait. Usually, selling it pretty good, yeah. Okay, wait. What is it? Oh, okay. That's my fireworks. What is the? Okay, so no one's buying my giant coin jar. Let's unencrypt it. Then let's go sell something goods in here. Let's sell some fruities. 190k. Okay, that's great. Fruity. Okay, milk tea. He called it milk tea, bro. What the hell? Heaven. No, wait. Submit. What the? Okay, I'm not gonna fill out then. What the heaven? Okay, I'm gonna try. Oh my God. 10k. Okay, I'm scamming myself right now. Yeah, it's true. I'm scamming myself. So they are getting attracted to this thing. Spinning. Bro, I have it. Let's make a deal, bro. Let's make a deal. We will level up this. No, I'm not gonna level you up because I usually have it. It's a level 60. I almost had to get that trick. No. Okay. Chill. I don't have it. Enough. It. 7. How many is this? Let's do it 3k. Yes? Just kidding. Yes. Okay. That's my sister, dude. Yeah, that's great. I cannot hear anything, bro. 3k. 3k. That's good. Ow, it hurts. Bro, it so hurts. It really hurts. Why do you sell 10 million? Okay. Whoa. No, I'm not gonna bid that, bro. Ooh, wait, I'm gonna get Lucky block. Yeah, I want to get that, bro. Let's really get it. Gotta get it. Okay, now what's buying my pet? Oh, there is. Are you gonna buy it? Yes, I think he's gonna buy it. Honestly, it's not gonna buy my pet. Can someone please? Someone help me, bro. Bro, need someone help me? Can someone, bro? What the hell? Heck. Okay, forest wyvern. It's really expensive. Enough. We're gonna buy some that so I can use it for. No, not you. Why are you selling it like that? Coin? No. No. Sounds idiot. What the heck? Okay, I didn't say it. I didn't say that word, bro. Okay, let's unclaim the boat. The boat. The boat. Close the boat, yeah. Let's be close and let's switch some lanes so we can someone. Okay. No one is buying my keyboard cat. He's a legend. Goodbye, keyboard cat. You're a legend. Koala. Keyboard cat. What is this? Ew, demon. Ew, that's not Stan. It's a demon. It looks so sus. What the hell? Ah! I'm literally an angel, bro. What the heaven? Let's start some diamond. No. It's almost 50 million. Okay. Where's 10? Ministers! No. I want to be a person. Celebrity crush. What the heck? I didn't say that word, okay? It's heck. Okay. Hype gift is so sus. Okay. Where is... Gotta buy. Wow, yes, this one. Okay. Now I'm buying it. Wow. Okay, just another one here, so let's buy it. Where's my... Oh, there he is. Boom. Why is everyone not buying my pet? 5.9k. No! Okay, let's try and sell some pet. 6.1 million. Are you sure you want to sell this one? 100 million? No, not. It sounds so sus. I want to say goodbye to my huge elephant because I'm gonna sell it, bro. Okay, moving on. Okay, so goodbye to my pet. Gonna unequip this. Goodbye, and goodbye. Okay, goodbye, my huge elephant. I'm gonna sell you 700 million. No, just kidding. 2.8. Hey, yo! I gotta sell this. Gotta sell it, bro. 10.1. That's why I sell exclusive like this. 3.33 million. And let's make sure someone buy it. Huge devil agony. That's from the chest raid. Yo, so this man's so lucky. Enough. Okay, this huge happy computer is almost going on last level or max level. Golden huge able imp. I'm not gonna buy it. Okay, it's not. How the hell did you get that huge, huh? Hey, yo. Why are you selling it? I think this one's gonna buy my huge bow. How? Oh, whoa. No, I didn't mean to break it. Please don't break. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna remove my sunglasses because it's gonna break. Okay. Oh! I am top hero. Oh, wait. That's it, son! I'm really down forward. 26.9. Where's mine? 26. Leutib! It's not me! Oh. Okay, please, bro. I just want to get some new huge. Oh my god. Is there, I gotta buy. No. I gotta buy it. I don't wanna buy it. Go, remove. Also, this. Yeah, that's right. I don't mean to, hot this all of my. Okay, let's move it. Okay, now, if we get some huge, wait. If we don't get some huge video ends, no, please, we can get some huge here. Also, if you want me to give me my second huge or first Titanic, if you want, please, I just want it. I just want it because I want to be famous, but I'm not famous, bro. And that's my name. So write it. You can post it. So yeah. No, I'm not gonna stick to you, demon. Okay. It's my moment of truth. Be lucky. Okay. Start to 1, 2, 3. Go! Please. I don't think so. Whoa. Wait. Oh, this. Whoa! Wait. Benjamin! Okay, so it so hurts, bro. Yeah, right there. I don't think it's not so hurt so bad. Okay, it's kinda. So guys, if I don't have a huge, then if you want to get huge, just offer it. Just offer my huge. 70 million. I don't know. I'm not gonna offer my huge, bro. Because it's my first huge. And this is... Oh my god! I'm really kind to my friends. If you're my friend, I give you the very jelly. And also, this one, the gold shovel, I trade it right there. And receive it. And also this, enemy emoji. And it's 2 and the 4 and the 3. And for that, he received nothing and he received nothing and I received 1 because I helped him. Oh. Yeah, I give him. Oh my god! Oh. I received nothing. What the hell? No, I almost giving them. Yeah, I'm beating kind of some kind of people. Wow. Okay, this one. He's a scammer. Okay, he said it's for YouTube. He's a scammer. Joe Mama, what the hell? Heaven. Okay, so like and subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.